Hey everyone! Welcome back to Say It Right. Today, we're diving into the world of luxury watches with a name that often leaves people scratching their heads, Tag Heuer. It's stylish, iconic, and a little tricky to pronounce, but don't worry, I've got you covered. First, let's take a look at the spelling. It's spelled Tagheuer. At first glance, it's easy to feel confused, but let me break it down step by step. Here's the correct pronunciation. Tag Heuer. Let's break it down. First, tag. This one's simple. Say it just like the word tag in English. Tag. Next, Heuer. This is where it gets interesting. The Heu sounds like Hoy, and you add a soft at the end. Heuer. Now, let's put it all together. Tag Heuer. One more time. Tag Heuer. Perfect. Here's a cool fact. Tag Heuer is a Swiss luxury watch brand that's been around since 1860. The name combines Tag, short for Techniques d'Avant-Garde, and Heuer, the surname of the company's founder, Eduard Heuer. Tag Heuer is known for its precision and innovation, especially in the world of motorsports and luxury timepieces. All right, let's practice the pronunciation one last time. Tag Heuer. Fantastic! You got it. Thanks for watching today's episode of Say It Right. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with someone who loves luxury watches or might need help pronouncing Tag Heuer. Keep practicing, and I'll see you next time for another fun pronunciation guide. Take care.